Did you start now?
Yep. How much are we gonna do? Just this row?
On the other side too.
How about the tiny one?
No, not the tiny one.
Oh.
Only the one that bends, right?
Oh.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Just like that.
Like, what about this?
It's big. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, not this one.
Not the small one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think I know. This one?
No.
I'm going to do some. So like we can't do this one.
Yeah, the one with tie. Yeah.
Oh,
We're
we
going
can't
to
do the
save.
one with the black
Yeah, we're going to save it
for next year's.
for next year. Yeah.
For next year's garden.
So we're harvesting the scapes.
So make sure
Scape hunter. Scapes hunter.
you're hunting the scapes.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, this is a big one.
Yeah. Oh, he just like take it off. Maybe mommy wants it.
But it didn't have
But it's
the
okay.
black
We have
tie.
plenty in here.
See, it didn't have the black
Yeah.
tie. Where's mom? How about this one? Yeah, it's bent.
Yeah, it's bad.
As long as it's like bent.
Yes, snap it
then
at the bottom, eh? Not on
Yeah.
the top, eh? At the very end, just like
this.
no, kuya. You snap it there like that. Perfect.
Oh.
Yeah, at the very end. No, Marco. This one is high up, so we need to just like cut it here. Look at this one. I'm gonna show you how. Here, just like see, it's super easy.
But
Yeah, but next time, just like cause this one you can still just like save it. See? It's like a rice field, eh? I'm gonna put my camera here so that I can help you.
this is what
Wow,
the rice
look
field
at.
looks like.
Uh-huh.
Kuya.
Yeah, it's taller.
Slime.
But make sure you just like get the big ones.
Marco.
Yeah, I like that. Watch out! There's another basket there, eh?
How about wait, Papa, give me that basket,
Sure thing.
please. Well, I can use it, but Marco can use that basket, so he doesn't have to pass it.
Yep, there's the basket. How's your basket there? It's full?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is big here. See? Snap it here like that. Snap. Snap. Scapes hunter. This one is snap here too. Boom. See? In the middle, there's just like plenty of big ones.
Yeah, a ton.
A ton of big one. Marco loves to eat this one, eh?
Yeah, with the scrambled eggs.
Yeah. Here. You can eat it fresh, but it's just like a little bit of
Salty?
spicy.
Spicy? Is it good, Papa?
No.
Okay.
So nag-harvest kami ngayon ng scapes. Yan. Marami na kasi. So there are some that is turn yellow, eh? It's over there.
Where are the yellow ones?
Over there. Because it's too much rain. It's okay. It's okay.
Whoa.
You cut all it. You cut all the steam. Also good. Just cut all the. I told you. In here only. There. Just like that.
It's kind of like slime. The juice.
It smells so good.
I know.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's like a bittery smell.
It's good. You just eat it like this raw, but I'm telling you, it's a little bit spicy.
Wow.
Oh, it's so big.
Oh wow, this one's a juicy one.
So iniwan ako ng mga kids na mag-harvest ng ng scapes. Nasa kabila kasi naglaro sa kapitbahay. So ito yung nakuha namin. Yan. Tapos yung iba, nanilaw na kasi sobrang sobrang ulan. Ayan o. Nabubulok. Makadamay pa kaya kinuha natin. So, ayan. Ang lalaki. Ayan o. So ditong side pa lang, hindi pa natapos. Tapos meron pa sa kabila. Yan pa. So ang ginagawa namin dito, chop namin to ng maliliit. Tapos ziplock. Tapos lagay sa freezer. Yun. Tapos pagka magluluto, yan, saka lang tayo kumukuha para ready na. Hindi na tayo mag-chop ba. Yan. Yan. So ito lang yung kinukuha namin dito. Hanggang dito lang. Hanggang dito lang. Itong ulit sa kabilang side. Hindi na namin sinisave yan. Hindi ko lang alam sa iba kung ginagamit pa yan, no. Hanggang dyan lang kami sa may hanggang dito lang, oh. Dyan lang. Pero tingin ko pwede pa naman. Tapos malambot pa naman. Marami naman din kasi. Kaya okay lang. Tumatagal naman ito. Nung nakaraang taon namin hanggang ngayon. Mayroon pa rin kami. Yan. Ganda. Marami. Hindi mo kasi minsan makita kasi parang ng kulay. Oh. Akala mo wala na pero meron pa. So ayan. Ito pa lang yung na-harvest natin sa ating garden ngayon. Wala pang gaano. Ito yung harap ng garden natin, no? Ayan. Kumpara nung nakaraang taon, medyo maaga po tayo nakapag-harvest ngayon ng scapes ata. Hindi ko makita yung aking hindi ko na-check yung ating vlog nung nakaraang taon kung anong linggo, anong araw tayo ng July nag-harvest. July din yun pero hindi ko lang alam kung anong araw o anong petsa ba. Yan, ang ganda, oh. Sa gitna meron pa. Yung mga maliliit hindi mo natin kinukuha. After 1 week palaki natin ng konti tapos sa ating kunin. Ang mga to kinukuha natin yung mga yan umiikot lang. Nagko-curl ba siya? Yung mga hindi pa antay mo tayo mga 1 linggo or ilang araw bago natin kunin. Ayan. Ito ganito, nasa gilid. So itong natin dito, itong bawang, ito pa rin yung seedlings natin simula noon. 4 years or 5 pang 5 taon nata to. Hindi ko lang pang 4 o pang 5. Basta hindi siya bababa ng 4. Yan. Ay hindi siya bababa ng 3. It's either 4 or 5 taon. Siya pa rin yung ating ginagamit na binhi, no? Okay, so tapos na ako dito sa kabilang side. Yan, ito naman. Itong side naman yung harvest natin, no. Yan. So same lang din to. Hardneck garlic, no. Tanim natin siya nung October. Yan. October ba? Tapos July. So kailangan siyang malamigan para tumubo siya. Hardneck garlic. Kasi may mga tinatawag na spring garlic din na kailangan mo lang siyang itanim sa spring. Ito kasi hardneck, so winter siya tinatanim. Pag hindi siya nalamigan, hindi man siya lalaki. Tutubo. Kailangan niyang malamigan. Kailangan niya may snow. Tabunan ng snow. Ayan. Tatapusin ko lang itong i-harvest ngayon. Then mamaya pakita natin kung gaano karami yung ating na harvest na scapes, no.